Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have learned how we can declare objects in Typescript. Here in this video we are going to learn what is the use of type keyword for creating aliases or duplicate data type in Typescript, and how we can use interface for creating object, and what are the similarity between type and interface in Typescript. So we see it one by one. So first of all we see the use of type for creating aliases. Suppose we have here string data type, here also a string data type. I don't want to use a string data type, I want to use character. So in Typescript we do not have a character, so we can create here type character equal to string. Remember, now I can replace this string with the character like this. Save this and you see that output, same output is there, nothing is changed. With the help of type we can create aliases or we can say duplicate name of data type, so that is a string. Similarly, if you don't like number and you like integer, so you can say type integer of number, and here you can pass integer, best option. No need to worry, just compile and it will run definitely without any problem. This is the one way. Now one more way, suppose in place of this is the one way, just I make it comment out because I want to show the one more use of type. So I create again string, here also number and here also string. Now this whole data type just I cut from here and I create a type and I say student type equal to this. I save it and here I pass student type. Remember that. Now you see that now signature and the data type I specify here for this object, and here we have all the properties data type, and I can specify this data type here. So we can combine it, we can encapsulate it within a single name, the student type, and we specify here, and it will also run without any problem. You see we have a same output. So with the help of type we can declare such kind of aliases for our data types or variables. Now we have another option for object by using interfaces, and interfaces having drawbacks also, having advantage also. You see that in type I am creating these aliases and I am passing here, but I cannot extend it, but I can extend the interface. How I can extend? You see, suppose I have an interface. First of all I see the complete example of interface, and here I say student data type, and same I just copy paste here and I make it comment. So then I don't need to specify equal to here, just I need to pass like this, like that way I can declare it like this way. Save this. So we have an interface, the name of the interface, and I can give it student type like I did in his type declaration. So interface name, we have a student type like I did here with type, same signature, and here you see we have the student type, so spelling mistake, you see I save it, and now the same we have this specify here with the help of interfaces, and I can run it again, you see same result. One more thing we can do with interface, like suppose I have an interface in which I have name and roll number, So I say student info, for example, and I do not have a course. Then I create one more interface. I say student type, and I say extends student info, and then I declare this. So interface student type extend student info. Remember, I am extending this, creating a one more here, and then I am passing this here. You see, I am passing this here. So like we extend class and object, class or interfaces, so we can extend this interface like we do inheritance in classes and interfaces. Same we can do here. If existing interface I have, I can extend that interface. We can create a new one with adding a new variables and data type here, and we can specify here. So this inheritance type of property for extending this is not available in type. This type is only beneficial for creating aliases, but it not beneficial for extending the previous interface also. So by that way we can use aliases, means type, and interfaces for creating an object and for creating a duplicate data type in Typescript by using a type keyword, and by using interface we can create data type for property for an object. That's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you do, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.